Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to divide decimals. Let's get started. So here we go. So first you're going to see the number outside of the little house. So you can imagine that little white line I made as the house. So there's a 15 there. So 15 doesn't fit in the first number, which is a 1. So you see that? So 15 fits into 1 0 times. So we're going to put a 0 on the top over the 1, and it doesn't fit into the next number, so we're going to add the 1 and the 3. So 1, 3 is 13. 15 does not fit into 13. So here is where we're going to have to put a 0 above the 3. Now we're going to see, does 15 fit into 135? It does. So let's try a number. So let's multiply first. So you're going to have to multiply to see how many times it'll go in. So let's do 15 times 7. So let's get started with that. So 7 times 5 will equal 35. So that 5 there and a 3 there. So then 1 times 7 equals 7. And then we'll add that 3. It's a 10. But that equals 105, which it does fit into 135 actually, but I think we can add another one. So one thing is, even yes, it does fit in, you want to go as high as you can without going over. So let's do times 9. So here we go. So 9 times 15. So let's do 9 times 5, which is 45. 5, and then a 4. And then 9 times 1, add the 4, and that's 13. So at the end, it is 135, which I think that's as high as we can go. And then you'll subtract. So 135 minus 135 would obviously be 0. Then you're going to want to drop down your 1. So by drop down, so now that we can't fit 15 into this anymore, we'll have to drop it down. But before that, so we said it would fit in 9 times. So we put that 9 above the 5. Now we will drop it down. So now that we've dropped down our 1, it is now 0 and then a 1, which is 1. 15 can't fit into 1, so put a 0. And then next, how many times does it fit into 16? So I think it's going to be 1 time. That's pretty simple. So we'll put a 1 there. And then 16. So 15 minus 16 would obviously be 1. So then you'd have 1, but there's no other numbers to bring down. So if there's nothing else to bring down, you just have 1 left. And you'd put an R1 at the end, so remainder of 1. A remainder is when you have a leftover or something, but it doesn't go into anything else. So remainder 1. So if this video helped you, please tell me.